Can you see yourself in the 2016 Chevrolet Equinox? With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Chevrolet Equinox, the small SUV with a big spirit of adventure. Passenger-friendly, loaded with safety features, and great for hauling cargo, it's an ideal family car. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Satisfy your desire for a family-friendly vehicle that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. Drive the Equinox.